we need to find which term of the geometric progression 3, -6, 12, -24, and so on is -384. Let's make a note of the parameters of the given geometric progression here. As you can see, the first term is 3, so therefore I can say A, the first term, right, is equal to 3. Next, let's figure out what's the common ratio. Common ratio denoted by R is equal to the ratio between any given term and its preceding term. So let's take term 2 upon term 1. So I have -6 upon 3, which is -2. So the common ratio we know is -2. Okay, we want to find which term of the GP. So which term, that means they're asking us the value of n basically, right? And they have given us the term as -384. So let's say the nth term, right? Let's consider the nth term of the series. So let's say Tn is equal to -384, right? And we want to find basically the value of n in this question. Right, so we've been given the value of Tn, we've been given the value of A and R, we want to find the value of n. Let's use the formula for the general term of the geometric progression for that. So that is Tn is equal to first term, which is A, into the common ratio, which is R, to the power n minus 1, right? So n minus 1, this is the formula of the nth term. Let's start plugging in our values now. We know Tn is -384, -384. We know A is 3, so let's put that in there. We know R is -2, so let's plug that as well. And n is the unknown in this question, so we leave that as it is for now, right, to the power n minus 1. Alright, so what we want to do is solve this equation, find the value of n. So for doing that, first let's take the 3 from the left hand side to the right hand side. That leaves us with 384 divided by 3, which will give us -128, which is equal to -2 raised to n minus 1. Right. So now to solve a question like this, where we have terms in the index or the unknown values in the index, we have to make sure that the left hand side and the right hand side both have the same base. So, or rather, the question you want to ask yourself is, what power of -2 makes it -128? To quickly find that out, let's factorize 128. So it is 2 makes it 64, 2 again makes it 32, 2 once more, 16, 2 again, 8, 2 makes it 4, sorry, 2 makes it 2, and 2 times left is 1. Alright, so as we can count, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means -128 can be written as -2 to the power 7, which is equal to -2 to the power n minus 1. Now, since both the left hand side and the right hand side have the same base, I can say that 7, I can equate the indices, right? I can equate the two powers. So I can say 7 is equal to n minus 1. Rearranging this, I get the value of n as 8. Alright, so if the value of n is 8, that means -384 is the 8th term of this sequence, and that will be my answer statement, right? Which term of the GP is -384, and so my final answer will be therefore -384 is the 8th term of the geometric progression, right? This is my final answer, which I'll put in my final answer rectangle.